look like? Oh my god. ちょっと待って。Ah, my glue gun! It's still hot! I forgot! Almost burned myself. Okay, like that. ちょっと chat! Don't look at my feet! Oh my god, chat, please! Don't look! Don't look, chat! Chat! Oh my god! Mister, don't look! Oh my god, please! We'll get in trouble by the mistakes! Oh my god, don't look! Oh my gosh! Don't look at my turquoise nail polish and my sparkly toenails. Please! I just need to look at my hair for reference. And it's not my fault that my hair goes all the way down to my feet. I didn't grow my hair long on purpose. Why would you put nail polish on if you don't want people to look? I mean, because I'm saving for the... I was initially going to... have, like, a specific person look at my turquoise nail polish, but, you know, it didn't work out, so I forgot to take it off. Chat! Stop! It's inappropriate. Please! This is so embarrassing, guys. Yeah, remember, you guys don't see me as your lover. You see me as your daughter. And sister and brother. It's wrong, guys. It's wrong. Stop.
My brother, Enna. Your entire family. Okay, this is actually really hard. What the fuck? This is really hard. Hold on. Don't talk to me, chat. I'm actually focusing.